We have the spotlight, floodlight, flashlight, glow in the dark all around. And when we turn it on by the press of the button, we have a window that lights up at 100%. And you can see the lights lit up on the flashlight. It's got a nice strong beam as you can look up to the sky. Right at the pinpoint, and then beam goes away when on wide. If you look on the floor, you can see the wide beam, the radius, how nice and wide the beam is at. Nice large circle. As we narrow down the beam, it takes a few seconds to narrow down to be a precise circle. The beam is really strong. You can see the tree lit up. We have a narrow beam, lights up on the tree in a nice circle. The flashlight will get hot. And the amount of power used. Got a blue LED on and off. That is the flashlight with the beam. Double press, triple press, 4 presses, long press. Long press lowers the beam. If you long press on the beam for over a few seconds, we lower it down to a medium level. Long press on the beam again, SOS. Changing modes is easy as holding down the button to the high mode changes to medium mode, low mode, SOS mode. Short press is on and off. It is a rugged, strong flashlight with a strap. It has a large battery, interchangeable battery to AAA's inside. And I'm just gonna bring it up as far as you can see. Hit the sailboats and all, right up ahead. Hits that tree all the way in the distance, all the way up in the house, pretty far indeed. From Gosdas, here's your flashlight, 2000 lumens. It has a throw of 3,280 plus feet with the PHL-L300 COB light. Telescopic front. It has a rechargeable 6,000 battery in the back of the handle. From Gosdas, their rechargeable battery. You get a rechargeable cable, USB-C compliance, the battery sleeve, 3 AAA battery holder, and the supplied Gosdas 3 AAA batteries. An instruction guide to go over, and a small pen light with a clip. The pen light, little flashlight. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. A camping, a hiking, a flashlight for all your needs. Thank you for viewing.